Hello everyone, my name is Meenakshi. I am working as a Urdu developer at INOM ERP. Today I am going to explain my module INOM University Public website. The INOM University Public website module transforms an Urdu website into a professional university website. It allows university and college to showcase their institution online while integrating with the university management system. Instead of using a static website, university can manage website content directly from Odoo and connect it with admission, academic programs, department, and inquiry management. This module provides visitor with an easy way to explore the university, apply for admission, contact the university, and access important campus information. Now, first of all, you have to install INOM University website module. Then click on My Account. Now you can see my account is already created. Log out. Then click on Sign in. First, you need to log in to view the website if you already have an account login. Otherwise, create one. If you don't have account, you can click don't have account and fill your information, then click on sign up. @gmail.com. Password, choose your password according to you. Then click on sign up. Sorry for my mistake. Then click on sign up. Account type, you can choose account type student, parent. Click on parent, then click on sign up. Now you can see my account website are visible on my screen. On this website you can see open my university dashboard, faculty workshop, university self service, welcome to your portal, academic fee service, and document one place. Here you can see subjects, result, exams, course registration, university hostel assignments, library transports, and on header you can see various type of page are visible: home, about, programs, department, faculty, contacts, admission. Now click on homes. In home, you can see shape your future at a university built for ambition. In home page, the home page is the landing page of the university website. Display at a modern hero banner, show admission, open announcement, display university introduction, apply now button, explore program button, highlights university achievement, show features program, display department placement, highlight campus live section, call action for admission. Click on apply now. And you can explore program. Visitor is redirected to the respective pages. Now you can see the form is open. In this form, full name, emails, mobile phone, program admission, gender, category, city, country, nationality. Now fill this form. Email, phone number, mobile number, program select your program according to your choice: BTech, Tech, Computer Science, admission round, gender, category, city, country, nationality, parents guardian information, father's name, father's email, father occupations, mother name, mother's phone number, father's phone number, mother phone number, mother email, mother occupation. Then click on submit application. You can see on this script, thank you. Your application has been received. Your application number is APPP 2026 00031. A confirmation has been sent to Rahul at the rate gmail.com. Please log in into portal to upload your documents and track your status. Go to applicant program. Now you can see my admission. You Here you can add your document, migration certificate, 10th mark sheet. Then click on home page. Here you can see on the home page 7 plus programs, 7 plus departments, 16 plus faculty, 18 plus students are visible on my screen. While chooses a campus designed for outcomes, a created program, expert faculty, strong placement, research and innovations. Click on view all programs. This is the list of all programs. You can also uh, apply this on clicking on apply now. You can also track application, career placement, career that takes off 95 placement rate, school and departments, faculty highlights, life beyond the campus life. Here you can see what our students say, student reviews. Then click on about the university, introduce the university, university overview, mission, vision, core values, academic excellence, faculty strength, student count, department count, program count. uh, in this skin you can see 7 plus program, 7 plus department, 16 plus faculty, 81 plus students, our mission, our vision, our value. On third, programs, program and courses, display all academic programs offered by the university. On this screen you can see undergraduate, various different type of program are visible on my screen. Undergraduate program, graduate program, course information, program details, available admission. A student can browse available academic programs. On clicking on departments, here you can see display academic departments, department name, department description, faculty information, related programs. Visitor can explore each academic department. Clicking on faculty, here you can see different type of faculty name are visible on my screen. Dr. Anil Sharma, Dr. Dhruv Khan, Dr. Diya Gupta, Dr. Kabir Menon. Showcase university faculty members, faculty name, designation, department, academic profile, expertise. Student can learn about teaching staff. Now click on contacts us. You can contact us on filling this form. Then click on submit. Now click on admission page. Here you can see provide admission information, display admission process, eligibility, admission timeline, applying online button, track application button. Student understand the admission process and can start their applications. Then now here you can see Four simple step. Browse program, find the program that fits your goal, apply online, fill the application form and upload documents, get application number, receive your reference number instantly, track status, follow your application from your portal. You can fill the program on click on start application. Here is the form is visible on my screen. You can also track your application. Here you can track your application on click on scholarship. Here you can see different type of scholarship are available on university page: merit scholarship, need based, add sport scholarship. Click on apply and check availability. Click on login to view your application. Here you can see, you can view your application on click on this link. This is the overall functionality of my module. Now, key features: modern information, university website, professional homepage, responsive design, program show, department management, faculty profile, online admission integration, admission tracking, placement, dynamic website menu, SEO friendly structure, call to action section, real time integration with the university module, create a professional online present for university. This is the module benefits: improve student engagement with an attractive and informative website, reduce manual admission inquiries through online application, centralized website and university management in a single Odoo platform, enhance the university digital image and creativity, simplify content updates without requiring web development expertise. You can purchase this module, build a complete university website directly inside Odoo without using a separate CMS. Integrate your website with the university management system for seamless data flow. Enable online admission and inquiry management from a single platform. Present program, departments, faculty placement and live in a professional way. Increase student inquiries and admission conversion with all call to action section. Reduce website maintenance cost by managing content from Odoo. Deliver a modern, responsive, and SEO-friendly website experience. Support digital transformation by combining website management and university operation into one integrating solution. You can purchase this module from Odoo app. You can search module I know website. Here on this, you can download. You can purchase this module from Odoo apps. Thank you.